So I grew up in this business, I've been doing it forever, but there's still questions that come to me that I don't have answers for. Products are changing, things are coming in and things are going out. So it's awesome to have a partner that I can come to and ask questions. So today I'm at Newcastle Building Products and this is Carl Manison.
How are you? Nice to see you again, Perry.
Yeah, always a pleasure. Carl, how long have we known each other?
I've known you since you were born.
Since I was born.
Yep, since you were born. And we've had a great relationship.
How long have you been in the business?
I've been in this business 58 years. I started dealing with your grandfather in this business.
That's pretty awesome. My grandfather, my father, and to be honest, Carl's one of the reasons that I've been as successful as I am today, because he's really helped me along the way, answering all kinds of questions and giving me a lot of support and guidance in the business. So Carl, I just want to say thank you for that.
Our pleasure. Anything we can do for you, you're our top customer.
Love it. Thanks, guys.